Hi, I'm Rona Graf with Grace Blue Interior Design. I'm here at the Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove showroom. This is one of my favorite products. We always recommend this product to our clients because if they don't know what a steam oven is, once they use it, they're never gonna go back. This is one of the most versatile products for cooking that you'll see. It pairs well with the wall oven. It reheats instantly, it infuses steam into food, and it also bakes like a pro. It has a really cool setting called the gourmet mode. I swear, if you're not a good cook, this will make you one. Lately, we've been getting so many requests to design cocktail lounges or bars in our client's home. The Sub-Zero wine preservation system is one of my favorite things to use in those designs. What they do is preserve your wine. So whether you're drinking an everyday bottle or you're an avid wine collector, these wine preservation systems are great for that. One of the things that I love too about this, and I tell our clients, that there's an actual UV protective glass that actually protects your wine from the sunlight exposure. This is actually helping to create a dual refrigeration system that you can see that you'll set the temperature for white wine or red wine, so you can set it or you can curate the whole thing as the same temperature. These racks are perfectly angled also to preserve the sediment in the wine. This is just a perfect addition to your home. For those of you who are looking for a professional look to your kitchen, look to the Sub-Zero refrigeration system of the Professional series. As you can see, it's stainless steel, it showcases your food beautifully, and it's a great addition to a professional look of a kitchen. Also, Wolf has a really customizable range that you can actually take off the knobs and put your iconic red knobs if you'd like. And then one of my favorite products that Cove offers is the dishwasher, which is also very customizable. So notice you'll have these really cool green moments here that actually tell you where to adjust everything. So again, this is extremely customizable, helps with all the cleaning needs that you have. You can actually take this top rack out and put big pots and pans in here. This is a great addition. I always recommend the Cove dishwasher. Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Cove has everything you need for your kitchen ecosystem. From preservation to cooking to cleaning, you've got it all here. I'm Rona Graf, and you're here with Shop with the Expert.